Hello, guys. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good night. All right, good everything, everyone. How you guys doing? My name is Victor Anyanwu. They call me the social media oracle. Today, I'm talking about something really, absolutely interesting. Very, very important too. So, what is it I'm talking about? I'm talking about Facebook ads again, all right, and the problems that you might have with a particular ad. Most people think that the only problem that you can have is the audience problem, all right? Because say, yeah, you didn't pick the right audience, you didn't, select the behaviors well, you didn't select the interest very well. I'm a very good person in selecting all of that. There are several things that could go wrong with your adverts. Several things, and that's what I'm going to talk about today. You might want to call your friends to join you, because this will be an eye-opener, right? I tend to, do this kind of crazy stuff at times. Scatter what you've been thinking was the right thing. Most coaches won't tell you this, right? Yeah. Okay, I will be with you in a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. My name is Victor Anyanwu. They call me social media oracle. I run a social media marketing agency where we help clients attract prospects and convert those prospects to paying customers. Yes, that's what we do. And one of the things that we use to do that is Facebook ads. Okay. Now, I just asked you, before, we came here. Have you called your friends? All right, call them, all right, ping them, share this video right now, right? Like, subscribe, click the notification button, and share the video. Share the video right now, okay? Share the video right now to your friends so that they could watch this. It's very important, believe me. They will thank you for it, okay? All right, now, see. Most people feel that the most important thing in every advert is the audience. All right, so everybody pays attention to the audience. Everybody wants to make sure that we'll get the audience, we'll pick out the right interests, we'll pick out the right online behaviors. We have to sit down and look at all the shoppers, pick out Jumia, Konga, you pick out all those things. Now let me shock you. That is not the only problem that can come up with your advert. Right? That is not the only problem. The most important thing for your advert setup, the most important thing is the offer. What is it that you are selling? All right? Is it relevant to the audience? Okay? Are you selling what now? Alcohol, for example. I'm not interested in alcohol. I'm not your audience. Are you selling those long shoes? There's some people that wear some very funny looking shoes. Those long shoes they wear. They say, do you know how much is this shoe? It was 500,000 long shoes. I hate those shoes. Right? People sell them and it's very expensive and they think it's cool. I hate them. All right? I'm not your audience. Do you understand? Are you selling half shoes? Those shoes that just have the front, they don't have back. You just wear them like slippers. I hate them too. I'm not your audience. Do you understand? I'm not in your audience. I'm not somebody that will be interested in that. I'm not your customer. Do you understand? I'm not your prospect. I'm not anything for you if those are the things that you're selling. Do you understand? The offer is not right for me. You see it? It is very important that the offer is right for the audience. So the most important thing is the offer. So make sure you get the right offer. That's the very first thing you should do. Make sure you get the right offer. If you do not get the right offer, all right, every other thing that you are doing is just a waste of time. No matter how good the audience is, they will not respond to the offer. No matter how much you put in the budget, it will not do anything with that offer. No matter how nice the picture is, it will not do anything. The offer is the most important thing. Learn to make crazy offers. Learn to make the type of offers that would make your customers go crazy. That is how you start an advert. The offer first. That's the most important thing, right? Now, the second most important thing is the audience. All right, you've picked out the offer. Then you now have to be sure of which audience will be interested in that offer. That offer is what you want to make, right? That's what you want to sell. So which audience will be interested in that offer? You need to find them. Where do they hang out? Where do they spend their time? What platforms do they use? That is where you should run the advert. That is where you should spend your time. That is where you should do all your best in creating awareness, visibility that you can convert. Do you understand? So first thing offer, second thing audience. Okay? Now, when you've done all of this, okay, you are sure of all of this, you want to make sure that you actually have a fantastic image or video, right, that captures the beauty or the benefits of the offer. Why? It's very important that whatever image you are using or whatever video you are using connects with the audience, relates to what you are offering, all right, and it's able to make the client or the customer click to read further. Very important. The creative that you are using. 3, right? Now, the fourth thing is this. The objective you are picking. Right? The objective you are picking. If you pick the wrong objective, it will make sure that the advert does a wrong thing. For example, if you put a video, right, it will be good if you pick the video views objective so that you pick people that actually like to watch videos. So people don't like to watch videos. I'm telling you, all right? So people don't like to watch videos, okay? Why? Many of them do free Facebook and free Twitter. So if they're going to watch videos, they're actually going to have to pay, right? So they don't want to stress that, and they don't have that data. Okay? Now those people are not your audience. Are you getting it now? So picking video views already, all right, will help you eliminate those kind of people. Are you seeing that? So you're getting more targeted people. So you have to be particular about your what? Your objective. Very, very important. All right? The right objective. There are 11 objectives if you are running ads with the regular Facebook advert platforms. Okay? There are 3 objectives if you are promoting with Instagram. Don't do that. There are 6 objectives if you are boosting with Facebook. Don't do that. Please. Okay? Run ads from the normal Facebook Advert Manager platform where you have 11 objectives. Okay? Believe me, you would like it if you try it. All right? Now, you sorted out the offer. You sorted out the creative. You sorted out the audience. You sorted out the objective. Okay? The other thing you need to sort out is the copy. Now, see. Every advert that you are writing or you are putting together would have the image or the video, right? Then it will now have a headline that when people see the image, they now go down to the headline. The headline should be striking, all right? It should make them say, hey, let me read what this guy is talking about. It should be striking, all right? If it's a weak headline, like come and buy, all those things that you guys do, all right? Serious buyers only. Those things are very weak. They don't even do anything, all right? Be convincing. All right, say it as it is, that it is paining you, as you are feeling it. Be convincing. Say it as it is. Do you understand? Be very convincing. Read it or show somebody else. Let somebody else read it and let the person ask the person, will this make you click or will this make you buy? It's very important. All right, believe me, it is absolutely important that you do what I'm telling you right now. Okay, the headline, very important. Right? Then in the copy, you now explain the benefits of the product. Don't bother about features, the benefits. Why should the buyer buy it? Do you understand? That's what you should be talking about. Hey, you say, if you buy it, you take it to heaven. If you buy it, you will never buy any other thing again in your life. This is the only thing you will buy. You know, benefits. Focus on the benefits. Fill the place with the benefits of your product. All right? Talk about all those benefits. So the headline, the image would have been so good, it would have stopped them. The headline will be fantastic. They will say, I have to read more. When they start reading, they are seeing all those benefits. They're like, wow, I need to click further. I need to find out about this. Do you understand? Okay, now finally, there's one more part in your advert. It's called what? It's called the sales funnel. Every advert starts with the beginning. The beginning is when they get to know you or when they get to know the product. So it's the awareness or the visibility area, right? Then the person now gets interested and decides to talk to you or chat up with you or send a message, or ask for your phone number and, gives you a call, right? So you have the engagement part now when they are talking to you until the part where they trust you enough to give you money. That is the closing part. That is the sales part. That is where they've taken action. So it starts with the awareness area, then the engagement area, and then finally the action area or the sales area, right? So that is the way a basic funnel works. Now, sometimes some people might need to see your ads several times before they convert. So all those guys that run ads 3 days, 4 days, what are you selling? I don't know. You just run your ads 3 days. 3 days where the ad is still trying to find its level. All right. The same way your Facebook algorithm works, that you make a post, or your Instagram algorithm, you make a post and Instagram takes that post and shows to a few of your followers to see how they will respond before it shows some more. That is exactly the same way it does with your ads. So it takes the advert and it shows to some people to see how they respond. People that you've picked in the audience. So if they don't respond well, it takes it shows to another set. So it does that in like the first few days of your advert. So when you run your ads, first few days and you stopped, there's something called the learning period where the advert is learning how to respond, how the audience is responding. So it picks the best audience for you. That's what it's doing. You now just stop the advert. And I'm like, does that make sense? Right? So what do you guys gain when you do that? Right? Short adverts like that have their own problems. Okay? So sometimes people need several touches. So plan to leave your adverts for a while. Try to have adverts that have a funnel. I've talked about Facebook advert funnel in a previous video, so you could just watch that. I'll try to put the link at the base, in the description of this video so that you can watch that also. All right. Facebook advert funnels make it easy for you to sell. So there's the beginning part, the awareness part. Then it takes them down. You can now say, hey guys, target all those that, clicked on it or were engaged with these adverts. You understand? So they are all engaged. Then in the conversion area, you can now go and say all those that maybe watched the video or that sent me a DM or whatever. Okay. Those people now you retarget them again at the end. So the first part was general awareness, right? So some people move down the funnel. So for the second part of the funnel, you're targeting those that are aware. For the final part of the funnel, you're targeting those that are aware that now engaged with you. Do you understand? Just goes down step, step, step. All right. So if you fix these areas in your advert should be good. It's not just your audience. So even if you fix your audience and you have a crappy image, it won't fly. You fix your audience, you have a good image, for example, but you have a crappy, copy, it might not fly. All right. So you have all these three, okay. Then you pick a wrong objective, it might not fly. So you have everything together and there is no funnel and you just expect them to just click and they just buy. They don't buy, you tell them to get out. Serious buyers only. It might not fly. Okay? Fix all 5. Make sure that everything is working. Test it. Learn to test it. All right? It should work. All right? So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Comment your questions. I will respond to all of it. Please like, subscribe, click the notification button, invite your friends to watch, share it, let them watch, let them learn. Okay? All right? Please, thank you very much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. All right? I release videos every week, so subscribe and keep tabs. All right? Every Tuesday and Thursday, you should get a new video from me. Okay? Thank you very much. You can follow me across all social media platforms. I am at the Oracle VA, at TheOracle You can talk to me on WhatsApp at 234-817710-8267. All right. Thank you very much. See you next time.